TFNN. Headline News Update.
Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN, and I want to again apologize that you haven't been getting my videos for the last several days. That's due to Google has shut me out because they think it's spam. Evidently, they don't like me. But anyway, I'm trying to get into Proton, but I haven't been able to find anybody to help me. But boys and girls, this is really fun for me today because today is the day of the Bradley stock market model last day. This is October the 5th. And if you'll notice here, we've been expecting this plus or minus 5 days. Remember, this is a weekly chart, so a week is a little bit different. So this is the 5th day of the Bradley model. So this is where the big dogs are barking on the porch, folks. And we're going to take a look at some really neat charts here in just a few minutes. And then also, when we come on in the first part after the break, there's going to be a special segment in honor of my very, very dear friend, John Jameson. And I want to share with you all the things that he's done for me through the years, and I just want you to watch what he's looking at because some of this stuff is really quite exciting. So let's move on to the next one that we want to be looking at right here. Now, we haven't been able to send out the charts too much, but some of the trades that we've been watching, and I tell you about these ahead of time, but one of the ones, of course, was this beautiful Japanese yen trade from yesterday. I mean, look at that. It's just an absolute perfect head and shoulders. It cannot be more perfect. The right shoulder higher than the left shoulder, the distance between the head and the shoulder. Folks, it's way up here. This is a heck of a move. That's $1,300 in a matter of just a few hours. So those are the kind, and what a beautiful buy it was down here. And the sell was exactly 1.27 of that number up in here. So these are the numbers that we're watching all the time. So we want to be watching. There's a lot of stuff to come out. The letter this week is going to be extremely long. I'll have to send it out in segments because there's too much to cover at one time. But it's going to be very interesting no matter what we're looking at right here. So what we're going to do here is we're going to come up here in just a second. I've got 42 seconds. I don't know what I'm going to do in 42 seconds, but let's see if I can share another one we were watching really closely. Oh, it's this one right here. This is the NASDAQ, folks, on a weekly basis, and you'll see we were looking for a high to come up here at 21,549. It hit that, and then it dropped all the way down here. I will show you that in segments as we go through, but we're right up at this level. It may or may not be a high, but we're looking at a major Bradley date today, folks. And, of course, Bradley is what got me into this business from the cycle segment, so we're going to have some fun looking at it. So stay tuned, and when we get back, I'm going to be talking a little bit about John, and then we're going to, last part of the show, we're going to really cover some stuff because there's some